requesting you all to please settle down. सर्व आपल्या ज्या भगिनी आहेत त्यांना विनंती आहे प्लीज तुम्ही बसून घ्यायचे.
ज़्यादा हो रहा है. हर्षद आगे ना.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. All our dignitaries have arrived.
From this side.
मॅडम या साईडला समोर.
Thank you very much. A very warm welcome to you. I will request Amrita ji to take a seat. And next, we would like to felicitate Shadri on behalf of NSC. I would request Mr. Krishnan Iyer to join us on the stage to do the honors.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One, please.
Thank you.
सर एक बैल के साथ बैल के साथ मैम का आपका बैल प्लीज. Hold, madam. Hold this back. Hold.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I will request Ms. Shadri Ram to kindly address the gathering. We all have been waiting for her to come and greet us, to talk to us. Shadri, please, over to you. Can you have a round of applause for her?
Good afternoon, everyone. सगळ्यांना माझा खूप नमस्कार. It is an absolute honor to be here today at this significant occasion. The launch of Mrs. Amruta Fadnavis ji's Divyash Foundation Literacy Initiative, Financial Literacy Initiative, is an association with the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Amruta Fadnavis ji, Bhushan Gagrani ji, Ashish Chauhan ji, Pallavi Srivastava ji and Kavin Shah ji for inviting me to be a part of this incredible endeavor. Divyash Foundation has always been at the forefront of empowering women through education, financial independence, health and skill development. And today, I am honored to be a part of this initiative as they take yet another crucial step forward. While growing up, my family always instilled a sense of financial independence within me, encouraged me to learn and take interest in matters where financial were concerned. As an actor today, I continue to carry those values and learnings with me. An MOU being signed today between NSC and Divyash Foundation marks a significant milestone in the effort towards financial literacy and empowerment. It is indeed a momentous occasion as we gather here today, just ahead of International Women's Day on 8th March 2025 to witness this initiative take shape. The empowerment of every woman means the progress of our country. तुम्हा सगळ्यांचा खूप आभार. तुम्ही माझं छोटासा स्पीच ऐकलात. आता फक्त तुमचा सगळ्यांचा धन्यवाद करते मराठीत, कारण ही माझी पण मातृभाषा आहे. आणि थँक्यू सो मच मला इथे बोलवण्याबद्दल, माझे 2 शब्द ऐकण्याबद्दल. आणि थँक्यू आणि जय हिंद.
इन्वेस्टमेंट कम करते, सेविंग कम करते जा रहे इंसान का अलग अलग होता है, तो इसमें कुछ कहना है, उसमें कुछ ये देना थोड़ा सा गलत होगा। पर आई थिंक कि मैं यही कहूँगी कि जो अपने हिसाब से जो जितने कंफर्टेबल हो उस हिसाब से इन्वेस्ट करे तो वो आई थिंक सबसे बेस्ट रहेगा।
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi. I have one more question for you. That how are you collaborating with the Village Foundation? Collaboration for the Village Foundation. What are your thoughts on that?
So I would just like to take this moment and say thank you that the Village Foundation invited me here today. I'm very grateful to Amruta ji that she invited me here today, because I think that this is such an incredible step towards women empowerment. I think that I think this collaboration is something that is so strong, so powerful, and I am actually really honored to be here alongside all of these people speaking about just the empowerment of women, and especially I think the fact that it teaches women something, and it's a topic that I think is new to a lot of people, and I think that there is so much to learn, and I think that I am also learning about this subject myself. So I think that it is a great initiative, and I am just here to extend my great wishes and good wishes to all of them.
And what do you think that for the Women's Day for this like financial education, how you will just give message for the Women's Day of all the women?
I would just like to say a very happy Women's Day firstly to everybody, and I hope that we continue to break glass ceilings, inspire each other, be it spiritual, be it financial, in every aspect, and I just wish everyone a happy Women's Day. Thank you.
वेट टेबल हटा दो, वेट थांबा ही बाजू पाहिजे मॅम, समोर बघा, सर्वरजी मॅडम समोर, मी इथे नाही पाहिला, सर्वरी मॅम इथे
मॅम समोर बघा ना, एकदम समोर.
चलो ये बुकिंग मत हुआ ना, मिनल चेक सर, प्लीज टेक आउट फ्रंट.
सर्व महिलांना मी बसण्याची विनंती करेन. आपण कार्यक्रमामध्ये पुढे वळतोय. कृपया फोटोसाठी कोणीही घाई गडबड करायची नाहीये. आपल्या सगळ्यांची लाडकी आवडती
थँक्यू. चलो
कोण आहे?
हा ये.
चला, थँक्यू. बाय बाय. चला, लास्ट फोटो. थँक्यू. चला, थँक्यू.
बाय मॅम.
बाय मॅडम.